Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and there are so many things that can interfere with audio quality, but this TXTUNE microphone has been helping me to minimize a lot of them. As you can hear, this microphone provides excellent audio quality, and I really appreciate the noise cancellation feature that it has. It can really help to isolate my voice and block out unwanted noise in the background, like talking, or if I'm recording outside, it can help to block out a lot of wind. It also comes with a little fluffy windshield that fits on it so perfectly. I was doing a little bit of filming and recording in my bathroom, and our bathroom is right across the hall from my husband's office. He was talking and laughing, but none of that came through in my video. I love that it's super compact and everything fits into the charging case, and it also has a display that lets me know how much the microphone is charged up, which I love because it completely takes the guesswork out and I'm not left in the lurch in the middle of a project. All I have to do is plug the receiver into my phone, and then it clips really securely onto my clothes. Like, it really does not fall off. I know I'm going to be so grateful to have this TXTune microphone for all of my future projects. But that's just my point of view.